Hey everybody! Thought you'd like to have a birthday cupcake. Learn how to draw it. Now, I started out in pencil just to keep the shape. And I know you can barely see it, but we're quickly going to switch to a Sharpie marker. But there's the triangle on top, and then the little cup at the bottom. And it's just a general outline so I can keep the shape of my cone at the top. Doesn't go square there, it goes a little bowed out at the bottom. See with the pencil? Alright, it's not a straight line. So I'm doing the candle at the very top of the triangle shape, with the little wick at the top and a flame. And you'll see it better in just a minute when we start with our Sharpie marker. Okay, with the marker, we're going to outline the candle. It's just a long, skinny candle at the top of the page. The little wick, it's a little stick on top, and then a flame. Now I'm going to go around almost a half circle. See that? Drawing it in. And another bigger half circle coming out. Kind of following my triangle lines, just a little bit, like that. And the third one's even bigger, and on the other side, and then we join the lines at the bottom. Now our cake at the bottom, very bottom, the cupcake, goes in a little bit, and it's not a flat line, it's bent a little bit. Lines going in. They don't have to be perfect. Now I'm drawing some round, long, skinny areas, just like we do with eyes of animals, to make it highlight or a little shinier. That's what we're doing, just some areas that we're going to make it a different color than the original cupcake color. So, I'm going to finish my lines and make them go all the way to the top like I should have. There we go. Now I'm going to make my highlighted area light purple because I'm going to make my cupcake topping purple. So see how I'm going around it? The light purple, I'm going around those highlights with a darker purple. And I'll fill the whole thing in like that. Now I've got it on fast forward, so you can pause whenever you want to and go back and get caught up. And then push play again. Now my cupcake bottom, cupcake itself is going to be brown, and then I'm going to go over the shadowed part with a darker brown. See where the icing would hang over? I go over that, and then the deep areas where my paper would go in, I make it darker on the black lines. Just darken it up. It looks more like a shadow, more 3D. So up under my icing and at the bottom. Then I'm going to put a little gray at the bottom where the cupcake is sitting. It helps it look a little more dimensional. Now for my favorite part, the candle. I want to do it in blue. You can do yours in any color you want to. But I'm coloring it in blue. And then we're getting to the flame. So we'll color the whole flame in a yellow. But then we're going to go over the outside of the flame a red. In other words, right around the top of the flame, the outer parts of the flame will be done in red. And just a teeny bit of orange in between the yellow and the red. So I want to work on my highlights a little more. Put them a deeper pink. Yep, just a deeper pink. And if you're using a different color like red, you use a lighter color like light red or orange for the highlights. Now I'm just darkening in the icing some more because it wasn't very dark. I'm making it richer looking by going over it again.
What does Frosty the Snowman like on his cupcakes? Give up? Lots of icing. Wait, I got another. What do you call an island that is entirely populated by cupcakes? Deserted. Want to add some sprinkles? Well, okay, here you go. I'm using a little blue marker. Then I'm going to use some red and some green and mix it all in there. Just put them every which way, turn them this way, turn them that way, straight up, sideways. We want to thank you for being here. Like and subscribe if you want to. Join us back here as soon as you can and let's draw some more. You're going to get good and you're going to be an artist if you keep practicing.
Bye-bye now.